Okay, this is a super quick one. This is at the early stages, getting you guys to know how to set up your project in Maya. So, like all compositing sort of softwares, when you are working in a space like this, the file itself isn't just held in one file, like a Photoshop file or something along those lines. It's pointed to from lots of different directions. So you know you've got text files, you've got scenes, you've got objects and assets. They're all held in separate folders, and Maya pulls it all together. So it needs to know exactly where all those folders are. Okay, so it's your primary thing is to make sure that you understand exactly where they are. So first of all, when you open up Maya, if you go to File, Project Window, and go to New. Okay, so we're going to call this. Let's call it Next Gen Animation. And we're going to locate it into, I'm going to make a new folder here in my documents, and I'm going to call it Next Gen. And then select and accept. Okay, so that's created a new project in that new folder. So if we now go to File, Set Project, we need to make sure that the project that you've just created is working within that folder that you just created. And the way that we can test that is by going to the actual folder now that we've created it. Let's go to Documents, Next Gen, and there we go. Yeah, so Maya's automatically created all of these folders, and everything that you create now, everything that you need to be within that project, you need to put in place. So, for instance, your textures will go into source images, etc., etc., etc. You'll as we start to create these projects, you'll see the way that this all functions in a sort of fluid fashion. Okay, I think that's it. You can obviously create different scenes within the project itself. So save scene, open scene. So when you open your project, you need to make sure that you are going into that space. So if you go into the scenes folder within that, let's just show you that again. There's nothing there at the moment. Let's just move that away and save the scene. So go File, Save Scene As. Test one. Save, continue, and you'll see that. Pop! There we go. That's just created it. Okay. So next time you come into your project, double click on that, and it'll open it up, and everything will be working in the right way. Okay.